Hi, I'm Gosia from Nomensa, and today I'd like to show you how inserting dynamic content into pages can affect meaningful sequence and focus order. Sometimes page content is added or shown dynamically as a result of a user action. Such content can include tooltips, date pickers, and expandable menus. Let's have a look at a sample web page. On this page, when user selects a question mark button, some additional information is displayed underneath it. Visually, this new content appears straight after the button. However, if we look at the same page displayed in the code order, we can see that this additional content was actually inserted into the document object model at the bottom of the page, after the footer, and then repositioned using CSS. Although it doesn't really affect sighted mouse users, it can cause problems for keyboard users and people using assistive technologies, such as screen readers. The reading order in a screen reader is based on the order of the HTML elements in the DOM. That's why screen reader users will be unlikely to notice that the new content was added at the bottom of the page. They may assume that the Show More Information button simply didn't work. This also causes problems to sighted keyboard users, as the focus order is not correct. When the user selects Show More Information button, the links within this content should be the next elements to receive focus. However, as they've been placed after the footer, they are actually the last elements on this page to receive keyboard focus. Let's have a look at this page again. This time, the extra information has been added to the page straight after the Show More Information button. As a result, both the reading order in a screen reader and the tab order are now correct. That's why it's important to insert dynamic content into the page immediately following its trigger element. In that way, the new content becomes the next element in both the tab order and the reading order in a screen reader.